Hello and welcome. My name is Meadow. Sitting comfortably, close your eyes. Allow your shoulders to drop. And take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. And gently breathe out through your mouth. Again, a deep breath in. Feeling your chest and belly rise. And a long breath out, releasing anything left from yesterday. One more time. Breathing in calm. Breathing out tension. Now settle into a natural, relaxed rhythm of breathing. Feeling your breath move in and out. Soft, easy, unhurried. As you continue to breathe, imagine yourself lying down in a peaceful meadow. The grass beneath you is soft, warm and welcoming. The air is fresh, gentle, full of new beginnings. Feel the warmth of the morning sun touching your skin. A soft golden light resting on your face, your arms, your legs, your whole body. With your next breath in, imagine breathing in this warm golden light. Feel it entering your body, filling you with gentle energy. And as you breathe out, let go of heaviness, sleepiness, and anything you don't need today. Again, breathing in the warm rays of sunlight. Letting that golden light flow into every cell. Breathing out anything that feels tight or heavy. Now see the golden light expanding around you. Encasing your entire body in a soft glowing energy field. This glow lights up your body and soul, protecting you, uplifting you, warming you from the inside out. With each inhale, feel the glow brighten. With each exhale, feel it soften and spread, becoming your gentle morning shield, supporting you throughout the day. Bring your attention to the day ahead. See yourself moving through your morning with ease, with confidence, with a natural joyful smile. Visualize an extra spring in your step, a lightness in your heart, a grounded happiness rising from within. Feel gratitude for this new day, for the energy waking within you, for the warmth touching your body, for the simple gift of being alive. Let this gratitude fill your chest, your mind, and your entire being. Take a slow breath in, feeling the golden glow strengthen around you. And exhale, letting it settle deeply into your body. Silently repeat, I am energized. I am grounded. Today is a good day. Take a few more deep, refreshing breaths. Breathing in vitality, breathing out peace. Begin to wiggle your fingers and your toes. Take one final deep breath in. And a long breath out. Gently open your eyes. And carry this golden glow with you into the day.